Collagen synthesis, how your body builds it from scratch. I'm John, your Carnivore Teacher Alpha, and we're going to break this down in a way that actually makes sense. When people hear collagen, they think skin and wrinkles, joints, but what they don't understand is this. Collagen is not something you just eat and magically get. Your body has to build it step by step inside specialized cells called fibroblasts. Step one is this. It starts in the fibroblast. Inside your body, you've got cells called fibroblasts, and these are your collagen factories. Their job? Build and maintain the structural framework of your body. Skin, tendons, ligaments, fascia. Everything begins here. The fibroblast takes instructions from your DNA and starts producing collagen protein chains. Now, step two is pre-procollagen to procollagen. Inside the cell, specifically in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, your body starts assembling amino acids into chains. These chains are called pre-procollagen at first. Then something critical happens. The signal peptide is removed, the chains become pro-alpha chains, and now your body starts modifying them. Step three is modification. This is where most people go wrong. This is where the magic and the failure happens. Your body modifies these chains through hydroxylation of proline and lysine and glycosylation. And here's the key. This step requires specific nutrients, especially vitamin C. Without it, collagen is weak. Hello, scurvy. These modifications allow the structure to become strong and stable. Now, step four is the triple helix formation for procollagen. 3 chains come together here. They twist into a tight triple helix, and this is called procollagen. Think of it like braiding 3 ropes into one super strong cable. This structure is what gives collagen its strength. Step 5 is the packaging and secretion. The procollagen gets packaged into the Golgi apparatus, and then it gets shipped outside the cell because collagen doesn't work inside the cell. It works in the extracellular matrix, the scaffolding that holds your body together. Step 6 is procollagen to tropocollagen. Once outside, enzymes come in and clip off the ends of the procollagen, and now it becomes tropocollagen. This is critical. Without it, collagen fibers cannot form properly. Step 7 is collagen fibers are built. It's the real structure. It forms tropocollagen molecules that line up, they cross-link together, they form collagen fibrils, then those fibrils bundle into collagen fibers. This is what gives your body strength, elasticity, and structural integrity. Now, here's the key point. It's the takeaway. Collagen is not just something you consume. It is something your body must build properly. And that process depends on adequate amino acids, especially glycine and proline, proper cellular function, key cofactors like vitamin C, and healthy fibroblast activity. If any part of that chain breaks, you don't get strong collagen. You get weak tissue, slow healing, and degeneration. So your body is either building strong collagen or it's building weak collagen. There's no middle ground here. And that comes down to how well you support this entire process from inside out. People who take collagen supplementation, you need to understand this. When you take that powder, you pour that collagen powder into your drink or whatever, you're not making collagen. Your body has to go through all of those steps to make collagen, and it involves all of those items. If you found this helpful, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon. If you shared this video, you can let other people know the information, and if you leave me a question or a suggestion, I will write you back or make a video from it. This was a suggestion from someone who wanted me to talk about collagen. Thank you. Have a good day.